Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis, may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. We have some Gourmand scents that are perfect for the fall. And if you know anything about your sis, I love this topic, right? I can talk about this topic all day, but we're not, because ain't nobody got time for that. But we are going to get into some of the Gourmand fragrances that I think that's perfect for the fall season. So first up, my cinnamon caramel baby. I'm not going to talk about her long, because y'all prepare to be sick of me. I'm not going to talk about her long. But Sugar Leather had to be on. Come on. Hello. Had to be on this list. So this is like, she's on the list, but not on the list, okay? Because if you know anything about me, I love this fragrance. It is delicious. I love how it just sits on my body. I love this now. Okay, so Gourmand lovers, please stand up. You need Sugar Leather, Nuit Nomad. You need this fragrance. Period, point blank, and I'm done. So next up, if you want to taste just like candy, so okay. I taste just like okay. Anyway, okay. So I've talked about this fragrance down. Okay, this is my pineapple cacao baby. I love this. You all know this is great. Okay, for a Halloween party or trick or treating, whatever you want to do. Okay, but we're talking about Mystic Sugar. Okay, it had to be Gourmand deliciousness. Cacao, ginger, like tonka bean, vanilla, everything that you want, pineapple, everything that you want this to be is going to be. It's going to be. And I blind bought this, okay? But I'm not telling you to do this, but I blind bought this and was made the better. I am so happy that I have this in my collection. It's just such a standout. And this is Quinterno or Corterno. I always mess up the name, but I love this fragrance. I love this house. This is the only one. Can't say I love the house, but this is the only fragrance I have tested. But this fragrance made me want to test all of them, right? Haven't gotten there yet. Will one day. But this just made me so into, like, what else do you all got behind that? Like, if this is in your fragrance house, like, what other beautiful concoctions do you all have? So I have been interested in the house, let's say, but Mystic Sugar, I would say if you want to get or put your pinky toe in this house, start off with Mystic Sugar. This is beautiful. If you are a vanilla lover, you love fruity, candy-like, sweet-like, divine-like, amber fragrance. Like, if you like those type of notes, you're gonna absolutely enjoy this. Love this down. Next up, come on, a vanilla caramel fragrance that has cotton candy, dulce leche. Like, what? Like that? Those notes alone gives you like fair fun, right? You have to have this, and absolutely had to be on Gourmand fragrances for the fall. I just talked about this on my tray, and that is Caramello Vanilla from New Notes. If you don't know about New Notes, I have a whole video going through like the discovery kit. Check it out. But listen, this is amazing. Probably if I had like a top 3, this would definitely be in my top 3. Absolutely. I just need to spray it. I'm sorry. Okay. I know what it smells like, but you know, I stop talking when I spray, so I don't try to spray as often because my focus goes awry, and you all like me to stay on focus and on task, but when I smell it, I just get off subject. Clearly, just now. Did it? Okay. Vanilla, tonka bean, again, cotton candy, dulce de leche. You need it. What you want me to say? You need it. You need to add this to your wardrobe. When someone has a sale on So Avant-Garde, any of the influencers have a sale, hit them up, get your 30% off or whatever they're selling. Get this one. Absolutely. Like, there's other new notes that I would absolutely recommend, Queen of the Sea, so on and so forth. Like, but this new notes, Carmelo Vanilla, oh yes, you have to have this in your collection. And many of my family members probably already have this in their collection. And I'm not saying nothing new, but Gourmand for the fall, Gourmand for any season, you need that, baby. Next up, a sweet vanilla whipped cream caramel, but caramel with popcorn. You need What About Pop all day, every day from the House of Oud on your Gourmand list. If you are a Gourmand girly and you don't have this, look away. Look over there, because I know you're going to get it. I know it's on your wish list. I know you want to get. We here. I see you, sis. I see you. But if you are a Gourmand girly and you have this, you know caramel popcorn just has never been so good on a fragrance. Like, this is what you need, okay? If you are a Gourmand lover and you want that sweet vanilla popcorn caramel smell in your life and you want it on your body. And to me, listen, this is not burnt popcorn. Let's not get twisted. This is not burnt popcorn. This is still a fragrance. It still has, a little floral in it. So, it's not all like immaturity or anything. It is amazing. This is an amazing caramel popcorn fragrance that I would recommend to the masses. Like, if somebody said, like, Foodie Gourmand, give me your pick. What About Pop, okay, is on the list. Just know, it's on the list. You need it. Gourmand lovers, for this season, the next season after that. This is a beautiful fragrance, and you will get compliments, okay? And they will not smell burnt popcorn. They will not smell like this immaturity. They will be like, you smell delicious and good. And that is from men and women. So good. Highly recommend you get your hands, your nose on this. Well, get your coins. I don't even know if you can test this. I feel like you have to blind buy this, honey. But if you are into the type of fragrance I'm into, go ahead and blind buy this. I said it. Fine. Now, if you don't like popcorn and you don't like the smell of popcorn, period. You don't like the smell of caramel, period. Then definitely don't even get this. Actually, move on to the next one. Don't even get this. But if you like caramel, you like the smell of popcorn, blind buy. For sure. Moving on. Who knew that a vanilla apricot fragrance would just do your body good? And that is Sweet Vanilla from Montal. Listen. Now, I will say, okay. I will say this does have a little syntheticness to it. Okay, fine, whatever, girl. But it still smells good. I still love it. Oh, I still love it. That apricot stands out. The vanilla stands out. This fragrance is a standout, okay? And it lasts. It lasts on your body. Your bubble is no longer you're in your bubble. Everybody is in your bubble because it smells so good and everybody wants to be in your bubble. It is amazing. Highly recommend, especially for a Gourmand list. Sweet Vanilla has to be on it. I believe that you would have to get this. I feel like Saks might carry it. I'm not sure, but I know that you can get it on Joma Shop for a good deal. And even if you see one that has the tester, which this is, the only thing about it is that this does not come out. That's it. So be annoyed by the little clingy clacky, and spray yourself and douse yourself and be merry and happy and go on your merry way. But that's the only thing. If you see a tester, that's probably what you're going to get. And then the packaging, like the box of it's not going to have like the standard box possibly. Other than that, it's still the fragrance. It's still good, girl. And you save a coin or two. You're welcome. Okay. Just trying to help. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, a Gourmand fragrance that lasts, like as it sits, it just gets better. It gets better with time. It lasts all day. It's amazing. Okay. And that is Monte Casanat. I've talked about this before. From Navitus in partnership with Sharita M. This is good. Your ice cream, your toffee, your vanilla, your brown sugar. Oh, the sappiness of it all. Oh, baby. Oh, you being bad. Oh, stop it. Okay, you showing out. Oh, so good. Cashmere, the bergamot that's in this, like, oh, you all, just the sheer fact of ice cream and the creaminess that it, oh, it's just so good. And again, it gets better as it sits, better with time. I mean, I have, prepare to be sick of me with this one. I think my dent, ooh, yeah, I see it. Okay. It's like right here. You all know I don't put no dent. It is getting. I feel like y'all gonna just clearly be able to see it by the, I don't know, maybe by the end of this season, this year, I might need to get a backup bottle. And I might need to do that. That actually might be a good idea. That I get a backup bottle and allow it to sit while I'm still using this. So by the time I use it, it's already marinated. You know? I need to spray it. Like take it out the bottle, spray it, and then let it like do its thing. That's a good idea. I might need to do that. Don't take my idea, but you can take it. As long as you family and you've subscribed and gave me a thumbs up, you can have that idea for free. But I love it. I love Monte Casanat. It's such a beautiful, delicious vanilla fragrance, and it absolutely had to be on a gourmand list of mine. Deliciousness, foodiness, stickiness, sweetness. I want it all. I want it all. Yeah. It's so good. Moving on. Well, that's all. That's all, fam. For my gourmand scents that are perfect for the fall. What are your perfect gourmand fragrances that you are pulling out to wear in this season, my gourmand girlies? I need you to sound off in that comment section because I love. Now listen, you know, some people like, I love that foolishness. I love this type of foolishness. Well, it's not foolishness, but I love gourmand fragrances. You all know, like. Yeah, sound off in the comments. I need all of it. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.